Hey guys, welcome back to the Jay and Joe show. Today is a little bit different because it's Women's Day and I really just wanted to focus on the women. Today I'm gonna be making some burritos. Like I said, we don't have a maid, and so I don't like meal prepping much. So every day is a fresh meal for my family because I feel like that really makes me happy. And here I am just prepping the bell peppers, and yeah, let's get into it. Today I want to talk about how hard it is being the Proverbs 31 woman. The other day I was like, you know what? Let me just read about it, and boy, did I shake some tables with this one because I'll just go ahead and read it. Who can find a virtuous and capable wife? She's more precious than rubies. Her husband can trust her and she'll eagerly enrich his life. She brings him good, not harm, all the days of her life. She finds wool and flax and busily spins it. She's like a merchant ship, bringing her food from afar. She gets up before dawn to prepare breakfast for her husband. Wait, hold on a minute, because I love my husband, but waking up to make breakfast, not gonna lie, has been a great hassle. It's like the the ultimate sacrifice. Anyways, here I'm cutting up the chicken. Um, I don't know what other people use in burritos, but I mainly use chicken because yeah, my husband loves chicken. Judah loves chicken. Everybody loves chicken. Who doesn't love chicken? If you don't love chicken, then you've got a problem. Anyways, I've been finding it really hard to make breakfast. I try some days, but I won't lie, it's not consistent. She gets up early before dawn to prepare breakfast for her household and plan the day's work for her servant girls. She goes to inspect the field and buys it. So this woman has money. Okay, I'm putting the salt, I'm putting the black pepper, and I'm putting some lemon juice. Come on, somebody. Anyways, she's energetic and no, with her earnings, she plants a vineyard. This woman has money, like I said, like she's working, okay? She's energetic and strong, a hard worker. She makes sure that her dealings are profitable. Her lamp burns late into the night. Now, when I went on to read about what that means, it means basically that she is working till late. But then she also has the ability to get up in the morning and make breakfast. Guys, this woman doesn't exist clearly. I mean, I don't know, with all the concubines that Solomon had or whatever, like, it's clearly that one person that I don't know. I don't know how he did it, but there's one woman that stood up for him clearly, and that was not me, okay? I'm really trying to have grace on myself and to know that I am doing the best that I can. But I think the main thing that the Proverbs 31 woman does for me is challenge me to know that I am, I haven't exhausted my potential. I haven't exhausted my ability. That if this woman can do it, I too can do it. That you can still be rich and still be gentle. That you can still be brave and still be nice and be kind. And when you read on further, it says she has like purple, linen, which means that she's elegant. Like she goes in the farm, but she comes home, I mean, and still looks the part. So you can be both. Both can be true at the same time. And I feel like sometimes we think that when you're one, you have to forego the other. And so I'm really trying to to balance the boat. To really balance the boat. What I added in this chicken is the bell peppers, the corn to spice some things up, some lemon, and some chicken. I think that's, and some cilantro. Anyways, back to this woman who is really shaking up tables. She opens her arms to the needy, so she's really kind. She has no fear of winter for her household, for everyone has warm clothes. She makes her own bedspreads. She dresses in fine linen and purple gowns. Like I said, her husband is well known at the city gates, where she sits where he sits with the other civic leaders. She makes belted linen garments, sashes to sell to the merchants. She's clothed with strength and dignity. She laughs out without fear for the future. When she speaks, her words are wise, and she gives instructions with kindness. She carefully watches everything in her household and suffers nothing from laziness. Her children stand and bless her. Her husband praises her. There are very many virtuous and capable women in the world, but you surpass them all. Okay, right now we're concluding this burrito, but yo, this woman is really a challenge. Anyways, for this Women's Day, I just want us to pay tribute to this virtuous woman. And if you're the one out there, I salute you, and I feel like we're all working toward that. Yeah, I am rapping. Wow, I did that. I just want us to continue working. It takes work, it takes commitment, it takes, the strength of the Lord, the grace of the Lord. Sometimes they're not going to be easier than others, but you got this. You have the ability to stand, you have the ability to help others, you have the ability to be kind. Right now, I'm going to serve my husband because I'm trying to be the virtuous woman, okay? And there he is. I hope he likes it, and I hope you enjoyed this. Happy Women's Day, all of you. Come on. Hallelujah.